Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to build an app similar to one on the App Store, the right way is not to clone it, but to analyze it and create your own improved version. First, open the App Store and find the app you're interested in. Study its features carefully and understand what problem it is solving. Next, you're going to read the user reviews, focus on what people like and what they complain about, because this will show you what you can improve in your own version. Now list down the core features of the app like login, dashboard, or tools it provides. This helps you understand its structure. After that, think about how you can make your own version better, faster, or simpler. This is where your idea becomes unique instead of copied. Then you can start building your app using tools like Flutter, React Native, or no-code platforms like Bubble or Adalo. Finally, design your own interface in tools like Figma and make sure your branding, layout, and features are original. And that's it. That's how you can create an app inspired by an App Store idea without cloning it, but building something better and unique. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.